Hi, I'd like to show you a simple way to repair exterior wall cracks in rendered walls or plaster walls or stone or brick. You need a hard bristle brush and some just ordinary window putty, that one's an oil-based one. Now first you need to match the colour. If it's plaster or render, try and find a window putty about the same colour, or if you can't, just mix a bit of paint that's about the same colour with the putty. For bricks or stone, finely crush some brick or the stone and mix it with the putty so it makes actually that colour when you put it in the cracks of the wall. If you can't match colour exactly, make it slightly lighter on a light wall rather than darker. That makes it harder to see when you repair it. So this is a wall that I've done a little bit of it already. I'll show you what the process is. So you get some putty. I haven't mixed any colour with this putty because it's pretty close to the wall colour anyway. This is a rendered wall. So push the putty into the crack, get it in there as much as you can. Push it in. It'll feel a bit raised on the wall. And then simply brush it off with the brush. And that's it.